everyone. So, as a budding entrepreneur back in my college days, I was very fond of attending speaker sessions by renowned entrepreneurs and various industry experts, as I would always learn something out of their experiences. But there was this one talk that turned out to be my favorite one. This guy was a very popular business guru and also informally known as Asia's most creative speaker. He was a marketing genius and his words just blew my mind. For someone like me who was desperately looking for that one mentor to help me, guide me in my entrepreneurial journey, I decided to speak to him after his talk. लेकिन जैसी मेरी बारी आई ना, लाइन में 50 लोग लग गए मेरे से पहले उनसे बात करने के लिए. 1 घंटे बाद जब मेरी बारी आई, he said, "Dude, I need to leave." I said, "Sir, I just need a little piece of advice from you. It'll take less than a minute. Yeah, drop me a text on LinkedIn na." I did that, but he never responded. I was disheartened, but at the same point of time, I understood that we cannot take people's time for granted. At the same point of time, I was sure that someday, sometime, somewhere, I would find that one mentor who would help me in my entrepreneurial journey and help me find what I call as my jam. A little bit about myself. I'm Vaibhav Kanwar, a 26-year-old entrepreneur, fortunate enough to be running India's #1 percussion musical instruments manufacturing company called Clapbox. Thank you. But how about we start from the top? At 13, I discovered my passion for drumming and joined the music society in my school. I also went on to become its president in my 12th grade. Since I was always fascinated by the world of business, right after school, I started my first 2 companies at the age of 18 and 19. Guess what? I miserably failed at them. And it was at that moment I thought maybe I'm not meant to build a business. I so wished entrepreneurship was my jam. In my second year of college, one day the president of the music society walked up to me and said, "Vaibhav, तेरे को याद है ना हमको अगले महीने कानपुर जाना है कंपटीशन में परफॉर्म करने?" I said, "Dude, we've been practicing for it for over a year now. कैसे बोलूँगा यार?" तो भाई तुझे ये भी पता है ना तेरे को अपने साथ ड्रम किट कैरी करनी है ट्रेन में कानपुर तक. I said, "Dude, have you lost your mind?" For someone like me who weighed 50 kilos back then, carrying an entire drum kit, which for your information is extremely heavy and bulky, all the way to Kanpur in a train was nothing less than a nightmare. That's when one band member suggested, "Dude, why don't you buy this instrument cajon?" And he started explaining. It looks like a stool, you have to sit on it and tap onto it to produce a drum beat. It's a perfect substitute for a full-fledged drum kit. बहुत लाइट वेट होता है, तू उसको easily उसका बैग बनवा के shoulders पे कैरी कर सकता है. I thought it was a fantastic idea. I literally visited every single music store in Delhi for over a week, yet I came back home empty-handed. And that's because while some stores did not have the cajon in stock, the others did not even know what a cajon was in the first place. And there were very few stores that had it on display, and they were charging an absolutely insane price for that product. I remember having this conversation with a shopkeeper. जब मैंने cajon try करा, बहुत खराब sound कर रहा था. And then this shopkeeper had the gall to tell me, "बेटा, सिर्फ 25,000 लगा दूंगा आपके लिए," which was way beyond what I could afford to pay as a college student. Disappointed, I decided I will not go for the competition. But that night, I could not sleep. I had that guilt inside me that because of me, my entire band would not be able to participate in that competition. यार कुछ जुगाड़ हो जाए, कहीं से ये instrument arrange हो जाए. That is when idea struck and I decided to build one for myself. After doing a little bit of research, I hired a couple of carpenters. Together, we sat down for over a week. After a lot of hit and trial and discarding 4 instruments that we made initially, the fifth one kind of sounded nice. So I got it painted in my favorite चटक रेड कलर. अब जब कंपटीशन में परफॉर्म करके मैं स्टेज से उतरा, आई हैड 2 म्यूजिशियंस वॉक अप टू मी एंड दे सेड, यार एक बात बताएं, जब तू इसको स्टेज पे लेके जा रहा था ना इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को, हम हंस रहे थे कि यार ये क्या डब्बा सा स्टूल लेके आया है और हम सब अपनी प्रोफेशनल ड्रम किट्स लेके आए हैं. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग इट ना ब्रो, इट साउंडेड सो नाइस. यार हमको भी लेना है काहॉन, लेकिन ना मार्केट में बहुत महंगा है. तूने कहाँ से लिया, तू बता ना. I took a pause, something got into me and I said, dude, I make these. The next thing I know, I was bombarded with calls from their friends. Someone wanted me to customize a cajon for them in blue color. Someone wanted me to make a cajon for them in a different size. I also remember getting this call from that one guy who said, वैभव भाई मेरी ना थोड़ी हटके कस्टमाइजेशन रिक्वेस्ट है. मैंने कहा बोलो यार, बनाने बैठे हैं, जो बोलो तुम कर देंगे. भाई कैन यू प्लीज प्रिंट द पिक्चर ऑफ माई फेस ऑन द फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द काहन. मैंने कहा भाई ऐसा लगेगा तू स्टूल पे बैठ के ना अपने आप को थप्पड़ मार रहा है. आई थिंक दैट्स अ टेरिबल आइडिया. बट लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, हम लोग काहन्स बनाकर एक एक करके सेल करना स्टार्ट कर रहे थे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. और मुझे ये समझ आ गया था कि भाई एक बड़ी बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी है. बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज, अभी ना हम लोग जुगाड़ू काहन्स बना के बेच रहे थे. If I wanted to scale this business up, I knew that I had to come up with something which was flawless and something which a professional musician would proudly want to use at his jamming sessions. लेकिन इससे बड़ी एक और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी थी, और वो ये थी that I wanted to ensure that cajons were available at an affordable price point in the market. That's because I did not want anyone to go through what I had to go through as a college student, and I always believed that money should not be a constraint to acquiring a new talent. So essentially, we had to develop a production process in which we could drastically bring down the cost of production for these instruments and ultimately pass on the benefit to the end customer. As a part of the process of building this instrument, with whatever little money I was making by selling these Jugadu Kahans, I was putting it into R&D and developing new prototypes. Now these prototypes we were distributing free of cost to a bunch of professional musicians in my network and get feedback from them. With every feedback that we got, we kept on improving the product. 60 prototypes and 6 months later, your boy was ready with the perfect cajon, and I priced it at 3,500 rupees. लेकिन मैंने सब कुछ तो कर लिया, प्रोडक्ट बना लिया, प्राइस रख लिया, ब्रांड नेम तो रखना ही भूल गया यार. So you see, the name of this instrument is cajon. It's a Spanish word. The way you spell it is C-A-J-O-N, wherein J is pronounced as H. But a lot of people in India used to call it a cajon. और cajon सुन के मेरे कानों से खून निकल रहा था. So I decided to come up with something that had a positive vibe to it, or something that was happy sounding. After discarding a couple of brand names that I came up with initially, I thought Clapbox was something that sounded sweet. I got my brand name registered and started hopping between music stores to convince them to buy this product from me. But you know what? To my surprise, even though these shop owners absolutely love the product, they outrightly refuse to buy from me. And the reason? Vaibhav, look at you. You are a 20-year-old college going student. तुम्हारी अभी तक दाढ़ी भी नहीं आई है. Tomorrow, if you close down the business and stop taking our calls. Who is going to fulfill your promises of all the warranty support and the after sales service that we commit to our end customers? I just did not know what to do. I was heartbroken. One thing I knew was that I would definitely not be able to pay off the salaries of my employees by selling 3 to 4 kahons a day purely on the basis of word of mouth. At the same point of time, my final year of college had just begun and companies had started coming in for campus placement. Even though I'm very lucky to have the most supportive parents out there, back then, taking up a job seemed like a better career option for me to them. You know, Punjabi parents and job security. As luck would have it, I landed up getting a job in a big 4 company. लेकिन उसके पीछे ना एक बहुत interesting और funny story है. जैसे इंटरव्यूअर ने मेरा CV देखा, he looked at me and he said, वैभव, आप क्लैपबॉक्स के फाउंडर हो? I said, सर आपको क्लैपबॉक्स के बारे में पता है? नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. लेकिन आपसे पहले आपके 2 इंटर्न्स आए थे जॉब इंटरव्यू देने. So you see, I had about 5 interns in my same batch who were working with Clapbox. और मेरे आने से पहले ना उन्होंने अपने इंटरव्यू में क्लैपबॉक्स को एक पेडेस्टल पे दिखा दिया कि सर मैं तो जैसे एक फॉर्च्यून 500 कंपनी में मार्केटिंग इंटर्न हूँ. मैं तो सेल्स हेड हूँ सर. So this guy clearly saw a leader in me, and I'm not even kidding. He did not ask me even a single question. He said, "Beta, you have a job now." एक मिनट. I wasn't happy. Deep down, I knew that I wanted to follow my passion, which lied in the combination of 2 things I love the most: music and entrepreneurship. So you see, a lot of people, a lot of young entrepreneurs give up very early into the game of business when things are not working in their favor. I think patience is very important. If you're building a house, I say it's okay to be impatient, but if you dream on building an entire empire, you, my friends, have to be patient, because there's nothing known as overnight success. I decided to learn to sell. I started reading books on sales and marketing. I started attending seminars on leadership and entrepreneurship, and it was during this process that I ended up attending a workshop being conducted by a 30-year-old entrepreneur who was doing 35 crores in annual turnover by selling stuff on e-commerce portals. And that is when it struck. Maybe I should start selling my products online, क्योंकि लेने वाले को तो पता ही नहीं ना सेलर की एज क्या है. सही बात है ना. So after the event, I got a chance to speak to him, and he invited me to his office. अब उनके ऑफिस में बैठकर I told him, sir, this is my business idea, this is my vision, and these are the challenges I'm facing as a young entrepreneur. He said, Vaibhav, how about you work with me as an intern for 2 months? I said, sir, मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ internship में? He started thinking and he said, well, nothing really, but तू आना यार, तू मेरे साथ मेरे केबिन में बैठ, you know, देख मैं दिन में किस से मीटिंग करता हूँ. Feel free to go to the packaging department, marketing department, logistics team, and learn as much as you can from everyone in the next 2 months. Who is the mentor, guys? He's that one person who has been through a similar path that you want to work on, and who can really help you shorten your path from point A, which is where you are right now, to point B, which is where is it that you want to be in a certain time frame. I'll tell you how my mentor helped me. Well, learnings from my mentor combined with my extreme hard work of working day in and day out and being very patient, exactly 6 months later, Clapbox became the best-selling cajon brand on all e-commerce portals. Thank you. And it was at that moment when tables started turning. We started getting calls from music stores, and they would say, वैभव यार मेरे पास ना एक एक करके कस्टमर आ रहा है और कह रहा है कि अंकल मेरे को क्लैपबॉक्स दे दो. मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ बोल बोल के कि इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम कैजॉन है, पर वो मानने को ही नहीं थे यार. So you see what was happening? the brand name Clapbox was becoming synonymous with the generic name of the product. Just as how Google is now to search engines and Xerox is now to photocopying machines. Couple of more months down the line, when I was writing my final semester exams, we had already started supplying to a lot of music stores pan India. At that moment, at the age of 20, I declined my job offer of 3.5 lakh rupees per annum because that year we had already crossed 3.5 crores in sales. Well, I'm very grateful to tell you that it's been 6 years since then and the business has grown many-fold. We've introduced a lot of new innovative products in our catalog like the Bukas, Djembes, Kalimbas. But you know what helps us maintain our position as the market leader in the industry? It's only and only innovation. I think innovation works like a magical wand, especially if it's solving a new problem every single day. For instance, we recently launched this product called a Kajembe by Clapbox, which primarily is a cajon, but in the front it has a cajon and a Congo tone. On the right side, there is a bongo that we've incorporated, and at the back, we've placed a darbuka. So it's a 4-in-1 instrument. Now, musicians, instead of having to carry 4 different sets of instruments, only have to carry one single piece of art. On a side note, in my personal life, right after I graduated from college, I started getting calls from top business schools in the country to visit them as a guest speaker. While I've done 200 plus talks till date, there was this one talk that turned out to be my favorite one. I get a call from a college and the organizer says, Vaibhav, we are organizing Delhi's biggest entrepreneurial summit. There is going to be an audience size of 3,000 plus people. Your co-speakers are going to be a CEO of a Fortune 500 company, a very big economist, and a very renowned politician. In fact, this time, the host who's going to be there is also a very eminent personality. And he told me his name. मुझे ना नाम बहुत familiar लगा, लेकिन मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा था मैंने ये नाम कहाँ सुना है. So he further stated, Vaibhav, he is a very popular business coach and also informally known as Asia's most creative speaker. Your guess is as good as mine. He was the same guy who had refused to speak to me exactly 1 year back. But wait. Let me tell you how he introduced me on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the best of people from their respective industries. While I like all of them, the person I'm going to invite on the stage next is my personal favorite. That's because I've bought all his products. Can we please have a huge round of applause for the percussion king of the country, Mr. Vaibhav Kanwar on the stage. Life had come a full circle, and it was at that moment I realized I found my jam. Thank you for being such a patient audience, guys. That's my time.